In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an invoice in InvoiceQuick. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up InvoiceQuick like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to this right-hand corner and click on this icon up here. Then from here, you need to select the customer that you want to bill this invoice to. And I'm going to choose this one in particular, and then I'm just going to click Invoice. Then from here, it should be looking something like this. And from here, you can see there's an issue date, which is today, and a due date is to where you want your bill or invoice to be paid by the customer. Then from here, you need to go down to the invoice and add a job description. Then from here, you can see here that it's bill to and bill from. And bill to will be the customer that you are billing this invoice to, and bill from should always be you. Then from here you can add a product/service. Here you can create a product or create a service, and then you can quickly choose between one of them whenever you're making a new invoice. Over here you can select a price if you have that, and a quantity. Then from here you can also add a task description. And you can write in anything you really want and go down here to apply a form of tax. You can also apply a discount code if you have agreed on that with the company. Down here you can also add new product or service if you have done multiple things for this company. Then from here you can see the payment terms. You can add a note if you want to do that, and a client's note if you want to do that. And over here the subtotal and the discount, and you can also discount entire invoice if you want to do that. You can click this plus icon over here where you can choose either percentage or a flat fee and apply account. Then from here you can also attach different documents if you want to do that. And over here you can click accepted payments where you can connect your Stripe account, your PayPal, your bank, or an external link if you have that to your company. Then from here you can also add a late fee. If you click on this, you can select and create a new late fee. If you don't already have that, this is how it looks like. Then from here, you can click a reminder. So every time, or 7 days before the due date, a new invoice reminder will be sent out to the customer to be sure that the customer has actually paid or remembered to pay for this invoice. And you can also make more reminder options down here if you want to do that. Then from here, you are pretty much done. Then you can preview and send the invoice, or you can download the invoice or even save the invoice. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!